Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make an origami Tyrannosaurus Rex. This is a relatively simple version, and the only material you'll need is a square piece of paper. You can use any size you want, but in this video I'll start with 20 by 20 centimeters, about 8 by 8 inches. Our first step is to fold it in half along the diagonals. To do this, we bring one corner to the other, and crease it very well. Unfold it, and fold the opposite diagonal. Unfold that too. To make the next step easier, we'll rotate the paper in this position and fold the two bottom edges to the middle. We can start with the right side. Just bring the edge carefully, keeping it as straight and as aligned as you can. Then fold the other side too. And then unfold both. Repeat the same step with the top side. And unfold this part too. Using these diagonals we just made, we'll close the right corner, bringing the paper to the middle. Leave this new small flap down. And then fold it up. Close the other side the same way. Leave the flap down first. And then fold it up like the other one. With that done, we'll bring the bottom corner up to the end of the middle flaps. Now pay close attention. Starting on the right side, we'll have to bring this diagonal edge to this crease we marked earlier, folding like this. Repeat the same on the other side. Now, rotate the paper sideways, turn it over, and bring this larger part to the left. Turn it over again, fold it in half, and this gives us our base. To make the details, we start by folding the diagonal here. To do this, we'll fold this top layer following the edge of this inner layer, meaning we'll fold it keeping aligned with the inner part. like this. Let's go to the other side and repeat the same step. With that done on both sides, we'll slightly open the paper from the top side, and using the diagonals we made, we'll reverse the larger flap, folding it over like this. To make the first detail of the head, we'll have to fold this tip to the right, creating this diagonal mark. The angle may vary a bit, but try to make it more or less as I'm showing. Unfold that, and as we did before, we will reverse the tip using the creases we made. Now we just need to fold the tip inside, placing it underneath, and we have the dinosaur's head. For the next step, bring the two layers at the back to the front, then fold the corner down, roughly at the height of this corner on the left, then in the same fold, bring the diagonal to this crease here. Do the same on the other side. First fold the corner down, and then back up. As the last step, we just need to slightly open the legs and reverse the corner, creating a foot. Again, this step may vary a bit, but if you get the angle right, you will be able to make the dinosaur stand up. On the other side, the same thing. And our T-Rex is done. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, see you in the next video.